Good afternoon, guys. We are at King Cross railway station. This is the tube, one of the big tube station, and my far right you can see red, that is Pansus International. This all the trains, international trains like Paris, Italy, France, and all from it's going from here in Europe. And this is the station, and the front of this one, various kinds of stalls like Caribbean food, some of the breads you can see, Greek food, that is Indian also, and smoothie. You can see this bread and this all varieties, mama tea, then gelati. This is all donuts and desserts. Follow here is one fruits and chai. You can see this chai and juice, chai, Indian chai, the croissants, and this is our Indian next door, chicken samosa, kebab here, cheesy lamb with samosa, mushroom bhaji, spinach bhaji, onion bhaji, all kind of with the chutneys. I'll come back. I'll just take. Thanks. So this is front of it's raining since 2 days like this maybe, and this is inside where you can you find the trains for this is overground, here front overground, inside my straight down is underground. My front is international passes, international trains. So basically this is 360 view, and Biltong Boss. I show you this one also, some of the Casa Calanori Italian, Biltong Boss Italian desert sweets. Here we'll get it. Here some meat pizzas and then cheese. Yeah, this kind of here dry fruits of all, Turkish delight, some of the olives. You see this kinds of olives, you get it, olives. This Turkish delight of around 8 type of Turkish delight. This is sweets. This chukela. Yeah, I just this is all dry fruits here. So this is Francis King Cross, and here tropical Caribbean food. If you see the Caribbean food, this is all salads, Caribbean food. Here tropical wrap and roti, tropical deserts. So this is overall look of Francis, and I will thank you very much. Have a nice time. Take care. I'm going to Pansus International. This is the red building is Pansus International, plus there is a Pansus Hotels, and it's like a 5-star deluxe hotels, Pansus station. Under the station, over the hotel, it's combined building. You can see. That's cool. Good. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.